Hello and welcome back to Sheena's Homestead. These are my 4 cutie Valentines. And today we are taste testing some new products from Trader Joe's. We went shopping the other night and picked out all these yummy things. One of the things here is actually from Costco, but the other things are all from Trader Joe's. So we are gonna open them up and let you know what we think. So what should we try, guys? You want to maybe open up these fig cookies?
Yeah!
These look delicious. They are Trader Joe fig cookies, soft fig cookie surrounding a chewy, sweet, figgy center.
Yum. Yum, yum.
All right. Ooh, okay.
I'll get like.
Here is one for you.
Thank you.
Wait until we all have a piece.
Thank you. Whoa. This looks so good.
Okay.
Oh, it smells good.
It does. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2,
3. Oh, that's so good.
That's really good.
It's very soft, but it's not very crumbly.
No, it's not crumbly and it's chewy.
Yeah, I really like the inside.
Not too sweet.
10 out of 10.
I think 10 out of 10 too.
A 12 out of 11.
Okay.
I'll give it a 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I really like fig bars.
That is super good. Okay, so that one is a hit for sure. Okay, let's try. How about we try these? They're hot cocoa heart melts. Milk chocolate melting hearts with a salted caramel cream filling and marshmallow.
That sounds so good.
Oh my goodness!
Now that's a real treat.
You guys are lucky duckies today.
Yeah.
All right. Open this bad boy up. Ooh, these are cute.
Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa.
So one for everybody.
Thank you.
These will be perfect for our Valentine party.
These look so good.
Thank you.
Oh,
Here, I'll show you. This one has a million marshmallows.
Oh, thank you. Whoa.
Okay, on the count of 3. Oh, look, it has a little lock on the back. Like a lock to the heart.
That's cute.
It's very cute.
So cute.
Mine's on the side.
I'm so excited.
On the count of 3, ready? 1,
2, 3.
Oh my gosh.
I can really taste the caramel. It's flowing out of it.
That is so good.
I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I would say so too.
A 10 out of 10.
9.5 out of 10.
I'll give it about 9 out of 10.
That's pretty good for you because you don't even love chocolate. So that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try the one item that is actually from Costco. These are strawberry and yogurt flavored pretzels. Rich, creamy, sweet and salty. No synthetic colors, no high fructose corn syrup, no hydrogenated oils. That's good.
Very
Okay. Oh my gosh, they smell amazing.
It smells like strawberry.
There you
They're
go.
pink.
Pink for Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Oh, look at mine.
On the count of 3. 1,
2,
3.
That's so good. I'm giving it
Such a sweet and delicious snack.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I'll give it An 8 out of 10.
Me too.
I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Next.
Super yummy. Okay, let's move on to something else. How about these chocolate wafers?
Wow.
I might need scissors for these. Okay, here are our double chocolate wafer cookies. One for you.
Whoa.
One for you.
Whoa, those are bigger
Holy
than I thought.
cow, they're like
One for
these
you.
wafers.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
On the count of 3.
1, 2, 3. It's like a light. There's mush inside.
100 billion out of 10. Yeah.
I would say
Me too.
100 almost a 7.
Yeah, actually I think more like a 5 or 6 out of 10 to be honest for me. I like
It's 100 out of 10.
it. You and Angelina have the same taste buds.
Yeah.
These would be really cute though on a Valentine charcuterie board.
For sure.
Okay. You guys want to try the mini heart cookies?
Yeah!
Okay. Here we go.
Well, they're like.
Oh, they're so pretty.
Whoa! They're
Oh,
up
that one's all stuck
and
together. All stuck together.
There you go.
No.
You can stuck that here. Whoa! Ew, they're so cute. Oh, they're so cute.
They are.
Yeah.
Okay.
That
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's good. A 12 out of 10.
Very chocolatey.
Very good. A 12 out of 10.
What do you think, Jacob?
A 9 out of 10. I think like a 7.
Me too.
A billion out of 10.
A billion out of 10. I can't see you. Can you get up a little higher?
I think like an 8 out of 10.
Yeah. They're really cute and really pretty. They got sprinkles on them. So that's adorable. Okay. Let's try this. Oh my gosh. X's and A's to make candy. I have to tell you a little secret about this. We've tried these before. And we actually went back to Trader Joe's last week to get another bag, and they were all sold out. So that is how much people love these.
And the best part is you can play tic-tac-toe.
Yeah. We'll try a pink one first.
Oh, these look so good.
You can put one over there like a ring.
Look at how cute these are.
Okay, ready?
I have a ring.
1,
2, 3. Oh, so chewy.
Really good. They have like a Swedish fish kind of taste.
Yeah. Awesome.
Okay, now let's do a red one. An O for you, an X for you,
Thank you.
an O, and an O. Okay, ready? 1, 2,
2, 3.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
That tastes like Swedish fish.
It's so good.
That's Swedish fish right there.
Absolutely love it.
100 out of 10.
Really, really good. And no food colors. It's all natural food coloring. So those are a hit. I think these are our favorites so far, right? Yep. Good job, Trader Joe's. Yes. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Now we have these, which I'm not going to have any. But you guys are. They're Belgian chocolate hearts.
Those are
Wow.
Okay. Jacob.
Whoa, look at They've got, this one has mixed colors, so that's white, creamish, and blue.
Really strong.
1, 2, 3. What do you think?
So this chocolate filling inside. 100 out of 10.
These, it comes with how many hearts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hearts. It was only $1.50, so it's a really nice Valentine gift.
For sure.
Yeah.
I'll give it probably an 8.
An 8? What about you, Jacob?
I'm giving it 7 or 8. A 6 for me.
7 actually. 1,000.
Okay. All right, so next we are going to try these strawberry yogurt O's, and we're going to top them with freeze-dried strawberries.
Wow.
So let's get started on that. I will pour you each a bowl.
Thank you. I've never had cereal for a really long time.
Very long. We're not huge cereal eaters in this family, so today is a treat.
Yeah, a trick or treat. It's a trick Halloween.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Look at that.
They're like Cheerios.
They're like Cheerios.
Oh, it already has some of the freeze-dried strawberries in it. Neat. Here, we'll split that up a little bit. Okay.
And some milk. Looks so good.
Let's take a bite.
Alright.
Oh,
That's really good. This is the best
Delicious.
cereal. I'll try the fish.
It is delicious.
I think I'll give it 100 out of 100. 10 out of 10. Same.
11 out of 10.
well guys, that's it for today. Thank you for coming along with us on our journey to Trader Joe's and experimenting with all of our Valentine finds. Later on next week we have our big Valentine party for all our friends and our family. So follow along and watch closely because I'll post a video on all my party prep, all the plans, and all the cute, sweet little treats that we find along the way. So thank you for joining me today and have a great weekend. Bye!
Bye.